Ever feel a little sluggish in the middle of your day? Hi, everyone. It's Genene, and we've created a short little yoga sequence for you to give you that little pick-me-up. And you don't need to even change your clothes. You don't need a yoga mat. All you need is a chair. So grab your chair and we'll begin. If you're at all worried about your chair moving around, make sure that you place it against something solid so that it won't roll around. And you're going to face the chair seat. Find Tadasana first, mountain pose, paralleling your feet, looking straight ahead. Feel your strength and power balancing evenly on both legs. Take a deep breath in. And slowly exhaling through your nose. So we're going to breathe in and out through our nose the entire time now. And then from here, Utkatasana, either keeping your feet parallel and in line with the hips, or join your legs together. And then knees bend, hips go back, and reach the arms either out in front of you or overhead, depending on what you're wearing, depending on your flexibility. Feel the fierceness in this pose. Feel your quadriceps engage. Breathe in. Breathe out. Come back up to standing. And then take your hands to the chair seat. And let's walk back for plank pose. I know I'm in my toesies because I do that a lot. So make sure that your shoes are allowing you to step back first. Make adjustments if you need to. And then you're going to take your shoulders right over your wrists, grabbing the outsides of the chair like so. Push the chair away. And then you'll notice that you could sink, ouch, that hurts. Don't do that. Or you could be sticking your butt way up in the air. The world did not end. But we want to strengthen our core. We want to get ourselves energized. And turning on those core muscles is going to help with that. So do that. Breathe here. Downward facing dog, Adho Mukha Svanasana. So now lift your hips up and back. Arms are straight and strong, and you're pulling your chest through this space. Again, depending on what you're wearing, make sure that if you're wearing a loose fitting blouse, make sure it's not going to go up over your head and adjust accordingly. You might want to stay there, the rest of you. You might want to stick the shirt, tuck it in first, and then come back and join us. Your heels do not need to reach the ground. You're getting a stretch, so really pull the tops of the thighs back, extend through the spine. And then let's walk our feet forward and make it easy. So then step your left leg back, coming onto the ball of the foot, and you're going to do a modified high lunge. So bend the knee 90 degrees. Knee stays over the ankle, like so. And you're getting it to bend as much as you can. You can start with a little bend in your back leg, lengthen the spine, and then straighten that back leg, pulling the belly off of your front thigh and making sure you're not hunching your shoulders as you grab hold of the chair. If you want it harder, bring your arms by your side or over your head, reaching past the chair back. All sorts of options for you. You could also get closer if that makes you feel more comfortable. And then change sides. So step the back leg forward first, that makes it easier, and then step the right leg back. Left knee bends 90 degrees. You can bend the back knee and then straighten it once you get that. Set. Again, where do you want your arms? Your choice. You just want that feeling, remembering why do you want to do this? You want more energy. Breathe. Deep breaths in and out through your nose is going to help a lot. And now step your back leg forward, come to standing, and then you don't need the chair for this one unless you want to sit down. You can fix your blouse because we don't need that anymore. Reach your arms behind you. If you have the flexibility, then clasp your hands behind you, and then reach your arms up and back, keeping your spine in neutral, and then look down at your feet. Make sure that they're still parallel. And you can breathe here, or you can, if you feel comfortable, turn it into a gentle back bend, rooting down through the legs, lift the chest. It's not the biggest back bend that you've ever done in your life, but you should still be able to talk as you do it. If you stick the chin forward, you can't talk anymore. Keep that base of the ears straight back. And inhale, come up. Change the clasp of the hands. One more. And inhale, lift the chest. Exhale, decide. Am I going to move or am I going to stay here? And then once you've made your choice, act on that choice and breathe. Inhale, come up. And then I'm getting the chair out of the way. Let's come down to our backs. Knees bent, feet flat. Depending on where you are, lying down on the ground might not work for you. If that is the case, what you're going to do is go back to the last two poses that we did. Well, hands clasped behind the back, standing up. And maybe if you did not do the back bend, you would do it this time. Just, it's not the hugest back bend in the world. You want to stay safe. And then you would do the hands clasped the other direction. And your job is to see how it's changed as you continue to do it over and over. Okay. Pressing down through the feet, lifting every single vertebrae of the spine off of the ground. So the only thing that's touching the ground here would be the feet, the top of the shoulders, and the back of the head. If you would like to go a little deeper, you could clasp the hands, gently rolling the shoulders under. And then maybe as you do this throughout the day, you're going to change the clasp of your hand, which finger goes on top. If you find that you're getting a crunching, a pain in your low back, maybe you're not warm enough for this yet, then instead try this, same position of the feet. You're just going to lift your hips just a couple inches off the ground. You're going to feel like you want to lift higher, but you're not going to. This is specifically engaging the glutes, and it should keep the pain out of your lower back. And lower down. Roll to your right side, pressing yourself up to sitting. So if you're standing, you're going to join us sitting. Maybe it's in a chair, maybe it's the floor, doesn't matter. Because what we're doing here is taking stock of how you're feeling. You feel a little bit more blood flow, energy, aliveness, maybe a little more mental clarity. Let me know in the comments below. And if you like this video, please click the like button, and that's going to let me know that I should do more videos like this, or let me know which video you'd like to see next. What kind of yoga sequence? Gentle, more energetic. And join us for our next Yoga on the Go yoga video, where we're going to do yoga poses that you can do while you're in the car or on the train, etc., the bus, etc., etc. Thanks for joining me. I look forward to seeing you again next time. Namaste.